All right, so here we are. We got everything cleaned up. We've got our barrel swabbed out. We've got our guide rod scrubbed, wiped down. We've got our slide scrubbed and wiped down. The same thing with our lower receiver. So our first step back into reassembling this is we're just going to do this in a reverse order that we originally did. So we're going to take our slide here, and I'm going to just, this is just by habit, and I think it's a good habit to create, is I'm always kind of looking over everything to make sure things are where they should be. And you know that, and I'm kind of looking to make sure there's nothing in here, like maybe I had a piece of a patch or something. And so I'm just going to do that. Looked it over. My bolt face is looking good. The inside of my frame rails are clean. They're obstruction free. And so the next thing to do is just take the barrel and remember that the flat end of your barrel, the top of your barrel, because in actuality your barrel is going to sit like this, but inside the frame, we're going to turn it upside down because we have our frame here upside down. And we're going to just repeat the process. We're going to come in at an angle, and you can see right here at the front of the slide your barrel hole, your barrel catch. We're just going to slide our barrel right into that. And then really, you can just kind of take your left hand and just lower that barrel. And you just wiggle it, and you can see right here, it can kind of catch, but you just touch it, and you'll feel it fall in. And when it's in correctly, there's nothing to make noise, there's no rattling, there's no shifting. Now, if I moved my barrel forward, it will get up and slide forward. But when it's set inside, here we are. We know we're in our locked position. Okay, now that we have the barrel in here, I've looked, I've made sure it's not moving. I've looked for obstructions. There's no obstructions. And so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our guide rod back in.